Now let's talk about favorites. When someone really likes a video, they can favorite it. Favoriting will add the video to their favorites playlist and will also increase the favorite count of the video. Now, it also boosts your YouTube rankings a bit, and earlier favoriting was considered pretty important. The favorite count was considered pretty important, but nowadays it's not considered so important. So don't really bother too much about asking people to favorite your video or making calls to actions around that. It's much better if you concentrate on subscriptions instead, trying to get more subscriptions. And the people who favorite your video, they're gonna help you anyway. They're gonna help you boost your rankings anyway. So don't worry about favorites so much. Just understand how it works and understand that every favorite you get from other people is gonna help your rankings.